This is Gayatri. Hope you are doing good. Today's topic is motion and measurement of distances. If I ask you people, how many of you like to travel to different places? Certainly, many of you will say yes. Today we are going to see about story of transport. There are three different modes of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Land transport. In earlier days, people used to walk on foot and then they'll carry people by using palanquin, or else they'll use some animals to carry goods or people. That is called as transportation by animals. They'll use animals like donkey, horse or elephant to carry goods or people. Land transport. In ancient time, people did not have any means of transport. They used to move only on foot. They carry goods either on their back or using animals. A great change in the modes of transport was made by the invention of wheel, by the invention of steam engine. Invention of wheel. The wheel was invented around 3500 BC ago. The wheel was invented solely for pottery purpose, not for transportation. In earlier times, people used wooden locks. They tied together the wooden locks and then they placed the heavy objects on it for moving purpose. Later on, they invented the wheel. The first stage is wooden disc. Wooden disc is used in carriages or chariot. A chariot is nothing but a two-wheeled horse-drawn vehicle used in Bronze Age and early Iron Age warfare. Later it leads to evolution of wheel. Road transport. Animals were used to pull vehicles that moved on wheels. Until the beginning of 19th century, people still dependent on animal power to transport them from place to place. Examples: bullock cart, tonga cart, bicycle, two-wheeler, etc. Railways. Railroads were made for steam engine driven carriages and wagons. At first, steam engine were invented, and then steam engine with one carriage used to move people from one place to other, and then steam engine with more carriages, and then diesel locomotives, and then nowadays we are using electric train, metro train and monorails. These are some examples for rail transport. Railways were made for steam engine driven carriages and wagons. Examples are steam locomotive, diesel locomotive, electric train and monorail. Water transport. In earlier days, boats made of hollow logs were used. Later, boats made of bamboo were used, and then coracle. And then people started using streamlined shape of boat. In ancient time, boats were used. Boats are simple logs of wood. Later, people learned to put together different pieces of wood and give shapes to the boats. These shapes imitate the shapes of the animals living in water. Some of the examples are coracle, yacht, hovercraft, submarine. Air transport. The early years of 1900 saw the development of aeroplanes, later improved to carry passengers and goods. Some of the examples are hot air balloons, gliders, parachutes, airplanes, jet aircraft, supersonic aeroplanes and spacecraft. Answer the following. Write two examples of modes of transport used on land, water and air. Write some of the 20th century contributions in transportation. Write few early modes of transport that are not not in use today. Do the following. Figure 10.1 in page number 95 shows some of the different modes of transport. Write them in the correct order from the earliest modes of transport to the most recent.